Assalamualaikum and very good day. My name is Hakim bin Norhalim. My meeting number is A21A3320. Today I would like to present my industry training experience. I am currently enjoying my training at Honda Logistics Malaysia Standard Berhad, where I have been placed in the Operation External Department. My position through this training is Assistant Executive Operation External. I am grateful to have Mr. Muhammad Shafiq Mirbazuki as my industry training supervisor, who has guide and support me through this period. I would like also to acknowledge and thank you for the supervisor, Mr. Ahmad Shakib bin Juno Ismail, for his continued support and guide from the university side. Let's us proceed to next part of the presentation. Let me introduce the background of the company, where I am currently enjoying my industry training. Honda Logistics is a logistic and supply chain management company located in Alor Gajah, Melaka. It was established in May 2017 as a part of Honda Global Logistics Network. Honda Logistics is a subsidiary of Honda Logistics. A company has been actively involved in logistics service. Globally, Honda Logistics operates through 34 corporations across 40 countries, include in Malaysia. In this region, Honda Logistics play a vital role as a key logistic partner for Honda Malaysia, support the smooth and efficient delivery of parts and material across the supply chain. This strong global and local presence reflects Honda Logistics' commitment to operational excellence. Now I will share the vision and mission of Honda Logistics Malaysia. Let's start with vision. Go beyond logistics, make world go wrong. This powerful statement reflects how Honda Logistics good to not only provide logistics service but to go beyond the standard, making a broader impact on society and the world. Moving on the mission, Honda Logistics. First, contribution of society. Honda Logistics aim to deliver product and service that meet and accept customer expectation. Second, company grow. The company believes that the growth and happiness of employees are close connected to the growth of the company. And last, increase profit. By generate stable profits, Honda Logistics contribute to the national economy. Let me summarize the role of the department at Honda Logistics Malaysia. First, Operation External. This department acts as the main contact with Honda Malaysia (HMSB). It coordinates on-time delivery of parts and manage customer requirements, include urgent delivery. Next, Business Management Department. The Business Management Department oversees overall business operation. It handles customer account, monitor performance, and smooth communication between Honda and logistic partner. The next, Operation External Department. This department focuses on internal logistics such as warehouse management, inventory control, and line feeding to secure JIT delivery to the production line. Next, Finance Department, responsible to budget, accounting, tax complaints, and finance planning. It plays a key role in supporting strategic decision through financial analysis. Next, HR manage hiring, payroll, training, and employees welfare is secure compliance and company policies and labor. Next, PPC Department. PPC Department is responsible for planning, production, and delivery schedule based on demand from Honda Malaysia. Net Information Technology IT Department. The IT department maintain the company IT system infrastructure, provide technician support. Next, HSEQ Department. HSEQ Department stand for Health, Safety, Environment, and Quality. This department ensure compliance with safety standard, environmental regulation, and quality requirement. It also conduct governance and provide employee training and development program. And last more is Business Planning Department. The Business Department handles strategic planning, budgeting, and performance monitoring. It support to management through data analysis and help with long-term business direction and planning. Each of these departments work together to support Honda Logistics mission and ensure operation excellence. Next, I will explain the main operating activities of Honda Logistics. First, warehouse. Honda Logistics provides secure and customized warehouse solution. These facilities are equipped with advanced technology to support efficient storage, real-time inventory management, and fast speed of goods. Next, part consolidation. This is one of Honda Logistics core operation. This includes sorting, picking and packing, consolidation and deconsolidation, break bulking, labeling and labeling. All at customize the flow part the supply chain. The next, delivery service. Honda Logistics offer domestic freight forwarding service through Malaysia. They operate 24/7 hour, lorry, sub-transport and logistics service, and use in-house system to monitor, complete the fast and most cost-efficient routes, secure, reliable, time service. Next, operating list D system. Honda Logistics use a custom warehouse management system known as a list D system. This system manages just-in-time delivery of part to manufacturing plants and support sub-service, ensure the right part reach the production line in the right quality and time. And last more is packaging. Returnable case. Honda Logistics use cost-effective packaging design for all transport modes, land, sea, air and rail. These operating activities reflect Honda Logistics commitment to quality, precision and customer satisfaction in every part of the Honda Logistics process. During my industry training at Honda Logistics, I was assigned a various tasks and responsible within the operation external department. This can be grouped into three main areas. First, process monitoring. I was responsible for monitoring staff attendance and the flow of part deliveries to ensure operation run smooth. Additionally, I record pallet movement at specific times and submit this data for tracking and analysis. Second, documentation. I entered attendance and overtime data into the company register system. I also update internal record using Excel, include pallet tracking information and warehouse operation data for external use and reporting. And last, process support. I participate in training session with new staff to better understand and assist in delivery operation. Also help with audit relate, task safety inspection and monitoring backup workers for support consistent and safe workflow. Through my industry training, I was committed to adding value to the company. My contribution can be summarized into three key areas. First, enhance operation, compliance and discipline. I conduct daily gemba works and monitor staff attendance across key locations such as Honda Logistics, Honda Malaysia and Honda Assembly. This help enforce to standard operating procedure (SOP) and improve punctuality, contribute direct to more consistent and productive operation. Second, accurate data management for performance improvement. I record pallet movement and other operational data with a high level of insecure and submit them for analysis. This data was used to support encryption of PDCA report and KPI dashboard, which help the company make data-driven decision and drive continuous improvement in company performance. And last, hand-off support core logistic operation. I active participate in the part delivery process, assisted in audit preparation and joint safety. Through this, I have maintained a smooth and flow, ensure audit deadlines, and support a safe and efficient working environment. Based on my experience during internship, I would like to share a few suggestions that help enhance Honda logistic operation feature. First, training and SOP development. I recommend create a short and clear standard operating procedure for tasks such as attendance documentation, along with that training session shall be provided to all team members and intern on how to use the system effective. Their structure approach will help streamline daily operation, promote accountability, and improve overall workforce management. Next, implement real-time monitoring. Currently, some process heavy on manual Excel entries. To improve efficient, I suggest introduce real-time monitoring tools such as digital dashboard or mobile apps for tracking part flow, staging, and delivery performance. This would allow for fast data collection, improve visibility across department, and support proactive data drive decision making. And last, safety first campaign. Safety first campaign aim to culture a strong culture of safety across of level of the workplace, display vibrant and sketching the road. Make use of digital board to rotate daily safety tips and highlight the meshes. This display will also be used to showcase our weekly safety champions. Now, to encourage consistent safe behavior, we launched a safe work demand program. Employees who identify safe workplace practice will be regained with small but meaningful incentive like gift card, certificate, or event feature during company reconnection event. Next, I through task execution, excellence, and solution. First, just in time JIT delivery pressure challenge. Strict JIT system demands precise timing, delay of early deliveries, describe Honda production flow. And the solution is implement real-time schedule, since which Honda production plan use electronic Kanban signal to trigger timeline dispatch and establish buffer zone for time critical part damage to part during handling. And the challenge, sensitive item like painted or electronic part can be is scratched or broken. And solution, introduce custom packaging damage, reinforce proper handling SOP, and implement a damage reporting system to track and reduce issues. Next is problem in overtime record system. The challenge is user often face difficulties navigate to system importing data, and solution create a system to update associate name every week to make it easy for clerk to find new employee name. Lack of safety awareness or training. The challenge next of backup associate may not fully understand the safety rules, and the solution conduct regular safety briefing and toolbox talks. Use visual aids, poster, floor marking, include safety drills and role play exercise. In this section, I like to share the add value and key takeaway gain during my practical experience in the logistic field. First, we gain practical understand or logistic operation. This include direct exposure to process like inventory control, shipment coordination, and vendor management. These are not just theories anymore. They are real tasks we had the chance to perform and observe. Second, we become familiar with global logistics standard. We were introduced the international practice such as just-in-time, Kaizen, and learn logistics, all of which emphasize efficient and continuous improvement key in today's global supply chain. Another major development was our communication and coordination skill. Working is a fast-paced environment. We learn how to efficient communicate with both internal teams and external supplier, which is critical for smooth operation. And additional, we enhance our ability in problem solve, being on the ground, facing real-time challenge, and this too us to think quickly and decision sometimes text box and can fully replicate